Hello, I'm your Code Hub. In this video, we learn how to set up Matchmaker for Mirror Unity Asset. Let's create a new project using URP. Let's install required assets. First, we install Mirror. It's required by the package, and then we install Matchmaker for Mirror. Then we add required scenes in Scenes list. Don't forget to add offline and online scene. We use Text Mesh Pro for Unity UI, so we need to import Text Mesh Pro essential resources. We need to fix an issue happens in lobby handler script. Let's comment this code as shown here. Now, let's test the scene. As you can see, it works. We will now build the client and server. Let's run the server so clients can connect to it. Finally, we test Matchmaker for mirror logic. Asset link in the description below.